Most of you don't know the difference between copyright, trademark, trade secret or patent. That's not acceptable. If you don't protect or defend your intellectual property, you will lose your only competitive advantage. So be careful about it if you want to do any kind of business or doing a business. As like Coca-Cola and KFC, they can protect their IP very well. Around the world, only 2 or 3 people know about the secret of the taste. It's called trade secret. Are you protecting your intellectual property? Anyway, this is Juvaraj. I have already created a YouTube channel about business for you. That is Juvaraj Official. Don't forget to subscribe. Those videos I use Bengali language. There are some foreign friends on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and Pinterest profile. For them, I use English subtitle bottom of the videos. I hope you got a lot of knowledge from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz and inshallah see you later.